Hey guys, Charlie here with Model Train ASMR, and as an update to our most recent unboxing video, I wanted to show you guys how far I have come along here in the construction of this ITLA Scale modular wall system. So I've got my 8-story factory here, and it is going to be called Corvega Heavy Industries. Those of you who are Fallout fans may get the reference. So basically, I've got, putting my hand in here for comparison, it is quite a large structure. The trains will only be about as high as the first story here of this 8-story building. So this will be a pretty nice large backdrop building on the layout. But I left a couple of spots off here to kind of show you how these ITLA scale kits join together. You can see they're kind of jigsaw cut here, and they're cut in such a way that they can only fit one way. So even amateur modelers shouldn't have any problems putting this kit together. But then they've got these nice cornice pieces that, cornices, pilasters, all these nice laser cut wood pieces to cover up all of our joints and seams. So typically, you see just a single level, but as you can see, you can double stack these and turn them into any size building that you want or need. Once I finish up these last couple cornice and pilaster pieces here, I am going to paint this base structure concrete color, and then paint the red brick inserts and window inserts, and then we can continue with construction. So just wanted to give you guys the quick update here. I'm really excited. I mean, this only took me about a leisurely day of on and off work to put together this base structure. So really a simple kit to put together, and I highly recommend it if you get the chance to purchase one. But keep in touch here. Check back for updates once we get into paint and start finalizing the construction of this, and then get ready to place it on my layout. Check back here at Model Train ASMR for more updates, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, guys.